I greet everyone. I want to tell you people something. This girl that fight her lecturer was my girlfriend before. Now she's my ex. This character is why we are not dating anymore. That girl character you see is very, very, very bad. She don't know how to talk. She don't know how to cook. What she know, only that video she's doing. I used to do everything for her, but she don't have single respect. Then if you name somebody's father, talk less of boyfriend, talk less of boyfriend. Her mother character is also like that. She's my girlfriend before. Now it's my ex. I'm not used to do video or whatever, but I say let me do this video. A lot of girls is like this, but this one exposed herself. A lot of girls is more dangerous than this girl. They are working as a human being, but they are not. That is why a lot of guys are single today, searching. When you want to marry, you will know that it's not easy to get a wife material. Assuming you marry this one tomorrow. Now this kind of one they kill in husband. Now this kind of one they carry a knife, chook for a husband. Now this kind of one they cut in husband brick. That's why I leave her. Every day she they write me and they reply her message because I know